Thank you. Wow, it's so good. How do you make it?
There are four things beside the coffee quality. Okay, let's open the door. You need good coffee beans. It's very important. Second, nice grinder. This grinder is Italian imported, and grinding coarseness is adjustable. Third, brew, high pressure extraction. And the fourth, water system. Well, you can see it in this view, but it is this like a knife. Great person has gone through the top, and a good coffee has gone through high pressure extraction, so it tastes so good.